My name is Mahbub Alam from Swan Design International. I'm here to give you an overview of our courses. Design careers are the main focus of our course. Now we'll discuss why this course is the most appropriate choice at this time. If you are brand new to the course, we will walk you through building a PC or an Apple Mac from scratch using various parts. Because of this, with a little caution, you can open and replace the CPU, hard drive and RAM machine on your own. Here you may learn about the history, many types of computers that have entered the market, and how the Apple Mac has evolved through the time. In addition to how the iPhone and different PCs have dominated the market, etc. I will examine typography's background in the following module and enroll in a typesetting course. You may learn English typing right here. You will be able to type proficiently without ever looking after the conclusion of the course as result. You can use this talent in any administrative role or career. I will then enroll in a course on graphic design concepts to understand how to begin a designed concept. I will begin working on a graphic design using InDesign, the most significant application in the world, where I will teach you how to design magazines, menus, flyers, business cards, and many things. You will practice with me in real time and have time for homework during this period. Following your instruction in InDesign, you will study another crucial program called Illustrator, where you will create and put into practice real-world designs for things like logos, business cards, flyers, and menus, and many things. You take the Photoshop course after the Illustrator course. You will study many styles of poster and business cards, design using this Photoshop, learn how to generate different kinds of visual effects as well. Then you will get the chance to spend with me the experiences I have ever had in the last 35 years. My course will be different for another reason. I included a new module called post-production, since I realized that if you can't design or work on your own, even after understanding computer design, your efforts will be in vain. You may learn how to spend a document or design to a web designer here, how to design graphics for use in videos or social media. In addition, how to practice files for independent contractors using digital or offset printers. Then we will construct a CV for you to use in job searches and set up an account with several online marketplace and financial platforms. Despite everything, we won't abandon you and invite you to spend 2 weeks working with us on design in Sylhet and in Eastham branch. As a designer or business person, we will show you how to interact with clients. Here we will try to provide you with some profit-making, quotation, investment and delivery materials ideas. You won't find a course in the market today that is designed the way this one is. Others will enroll in the course and you will visit the board to look for design work job. We don't. I give you a comprehensive career education by bringing you along on walks with us and offering you full practical experience like working for our company. We are more than a hub for design courses. We have far more work to do than this. In addition to the design course, we also operate a business structure, business outlet or shop, where we offer internal services like building, construction design, graphics design, printing services, digital marketing services, motion graphics, Facebook marketing and web design based on the design of different clients daily. This is a fantastic choice for all of us to land a career. I hope our course enriches your life. Thanks.